Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today, Naya Rivera missing. Also on the scoop for today, Pop Smoke. The police held 5 suspects as it relates to his murder. When we return, we'll have the details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where the police are on the search for an actress who went missing after her son was found floating on a boat alone. Details surrounding the incident is still sketchy at this time, but it's believed that the actress might have drowned. So a search operation was launched after her 4-year-old son was reportedly found floating alone on a rented boat in California. Former Glee actress Naya Rivera has gone missing at a lake in Southern California, according to the county sheriff's department. A search operation was launched after her 4-year-old son was reportedly found alone on a rented boat in the lake. The search stopped overnight but seemed to resume early this morning. The police in Ventura have said, and that's a county sheriff's department in Southern California, said they are investigating the tragic accident after the 33-year-old actress disappeared on Wednesday. Ventura County Sheriff's Officer Chris Dyer said that officers remain hopeful but are very realistic about what transpired, and they are hoping to make a breakthrough in the case very soon. Speaking during a press conference held at the lakeside, an officer said he thinks it's a tragic accident that happened here, and it breaks his heart so much. It's very unclear what transpired to the 33-year-old actress, but police are carrying out an intensive investigation in order to ascertain this. Rivera, age 33, is best known for playing her role Santana Lopez on a musical comedy series, Glee. According to international news reports, quoting the sheriff's department, Rivera rented a boat at the lake around 1 p.m. local time. An alarm was raised after a search operation launched using a helicopter, drones, and other statistical devices, the police said, in order to locate her. On Tuesday, Rivera tweeted a picture of her and her boy together, which was captioned, "Just the two of us." Rivera became engaged to rapper Big Sean in October 2013, but they ended their relationship in April 2014. She then began dating actor Ryan Dorsey, and they got married in Mexico in July of that same year. The couple had a 2-year-old son back in 2015. Rivera filed for divorce after the 2 years of marriage became sour, but they later called off the separation before finalizing their divorce back in 2018. Even though police remain very hopeful in this case, they are still fearing for the worst as the search continues for the missing actress, and many believe she might have drowned, but what really led to this still puzzles authorities as a massive investigation is on the way. On to our next story. The singing sensation, or the rap sensation I should say, Pop Sumo. The police have said they have held 5 persons in relation to his murder, and we're going to discuss now that on the program on Links 007 TV. So the police are reporting that 5 individuals have been arrested as it relates to the fatal shooting of rapper Pop Smoke some weeks ago. And the police are carrying out more investigation in order to ascertain what really led to this, as they believe it was a robbery that went wrong. 6 days after Pop Smoke album dropped, the police are reporting some good news and says that they have arrested 5 individuals in relation to the shooting death of the rapper. The Los Angeles Police Department provided no further details. However, they are carrying out more investigation as it goes by. The LAPD police detectives have announced that they have arrested 5 individuals in total, including 3 adults and 2 juveniles. Pop Smoke was taken out during a home invasion at a Hollywood Hills residence. Police said the 20-year-old was enjoying the success of his perform mixtape, which came out the week before his killing. The rapper made a name for himself in the summer of 2019 when he released his debut mixtape, Meet the Woo, featuring the trap influence anthem Welcome Party. The video and song has garnered over 24 million views on YouTube, and it's a sad day right now for the family and friends of the entertainer who was viciously taken out in a home invasion. On the day in question, police received an emergency call around 5 a.m. that a house was broken into by armed suspects with handguns. A Los Angeles Police Department spokesperson said it's believed that the rapper was robbed of his cash and also jewelry in this attack. The rapper was shot and did not survive the ordeal. The investigation continues. Thanks for joining us once more for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. We hope that you do like the program. Please remember to comment and also subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We also want to use this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends of the late rapper. Also on the scope, we just want to take this opportunity to hope for the best for the Glee actress that is missing right now. And even though the police are hoping for the worst, we are still hoping for the best, that they do find her alive and well. This is where we're going to leave this program for now. Thanks for watching, and we're out for now. Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Have a blessed and productive day.